some problems based on parameters. The first parameter is V number, and the second parameter already we discussed that is cutoff wavelength. Cutoff wavelength lambda c. In the same manner, the V number we calculated for step index fiber as well as for graded index fiber. Graded index fiber. Okay. The V number for step index and graded index fibers we discussed it. And what is the formula for maximum number of modes for step index fiber? What is the formula? That is V square by 2. Already we discussed that. V square by 2. V is the V number. Okay. And for graded index fiber, what is the M value? M is equal to alpha by alpha plus 2 into V square by 2. Okay. This already we discussed it. V is here V number. And what is alpha here?
Profile parameters, sir.
Profile. Okay. Refractive index profile. So, what is the value for parabolic profile and triangular profile and the same manner step index profile? Already we discussed it. And based on these parameters, we have some problems. We'll discuss all those problems. Before going to discuss problems, must and should we have to know what is the V number? V is 2 pi A by lambda into NA. Okay. N is refractive, N is the numerical aperture, lambda is wavelength, A is the core radius, small a is the core radius. For example, I am taking step index fiber. Here, like this, okay, I will try again. For example, here I am taking one fiber. Okay, this is one optical fiber I am taking. Here, this is the cladding, and this is the core I am taking here. Okay, core and cladding, and here core refractive index is N1, and cladding refractive index here I am taking is N2. If I am taking the corresponding line like this from the core, this is nothing but core radius. Okay, this is the profile here we are using, step index profile, and this is the cladding. This is cladding. These dotted lines are giving cladding. This we are going to consider as from the axis. For example, this is the axis I am taking. And from this axis up to cladding, this distance is nothing but A. Core radius is A. Okay, this core radius is A. If we are taking complete structure of this profile, that will give 2A. That will give 2A. Okay, this is for step index. The same manner for grade index. So A is the core radius. Remember that always. Okay. Then we'll see some problems. Remember that all these different parameters, and here we are taking lambda wavelength, maybe in micrometer or maybe in nanometer, like that. Okay, you're going to consider in micrometer, nanometer. Whenever you're substituting lambda values, must and should you have to indicate 10 power minus 6. For example, it is a micrometer, 10 power minus 6. In, for example, 10 micrometer, 10 to 10 power minus 6, like that. For example, I'm taking 15 nanometer as mentioned. Then in the problem, we have to substitute as 15 into 10 power 9. Okay, like that you have to substitute, then you'll get the exact value. Okay, it is clear? All of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then go for first problem. All of you draw the first problem. 1.7.1 you can draw. Write down this problem. Calculate the number of modes. Calculate the number of modes of an optical fiber. Calculate the number of modes of an optical fiber having diameter of 50 micrometer. Having diameter of 50 micrometer. N1 is 1.48. N2 is 1.46. Lambda is 0.82 micrometer. Or is clear, all of you? Note down this problem first of all. Number 1.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the given values.
D is equal to 15 micrometers. N1 is equal to
D.
1.48.
So D he has given. What is a D?
15 micrometers.
50 micrometer.
1.5.
See that problem carefully.
50, sir. 50.
50. So D is 50. Okay.
N1
Then
is equal to 1.48.
N1 already 1.48. N2 is
N2 1.46. Lambda is equal to
Lambda is
0.82
what we have
micrometers.
to calculate?
Number of modes of optical fibers.
Number of modes. Okay. In this problem, for which fiber you will calculate number of modes? Either step index fiber or graded index fiber?
Graded index fiber, sir.
Particularly, he was not mentioned any type of fiber. That's why we are calculating for step index only here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is possible here. For graded index, that is not possible. Why? Because the profile is not mentioned here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then what is the formula for this one? Step index fiber, what is the formula for number of modes? Number of modes, M is equal to V square by
2.
2. This is the formula. V is not given here. That's why we have to find V value. What is the V formula? V formula is, respond all of you.
2 pi a by lambda.
2 pi a by lambda into NA.
NA.
NA. So 2 pi we know, lambda already 0.82 we know. What is A? How we will get A from D? D here is given, but we don't know A. D is equal to 2A equal to 50. Then from that we will get A as A is equal to what? 25. Clear? A is 25. We know A. And how we will get NA? What is the formula for NA? Already we did some problems based on NA. What is the formula for NA? Number 2.
Yes, sir.
Tell me formula for NA.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
What is the formula for NA? NA formula I am asking. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me formula for NA.
Root over n1 square minus n2 square, sir.
What?
Root over n1 square
Okay. Square root of
n1 square minus n2 square.
N2 square. So we know N1 and N2, that's why substitute N1 and N2 values. Find out NA. I'll have to find out NA.
0.242, sir.
0.24.
42.
All of you got the same answer. Got it? All of you. NA value.
0.243 వచ్చింది సార్.
So you'll get 243.
0.243 సార్.
Yeah. 243 is the right answer. Substitute here, find out the V number. Make it fast. NA is 0.243. Then find out V value.
Sir, 2.47 into 10 power minus 3 sir.
Number 3. 3. Three is here. Respond. Four. Number 4. Six. 7.
Sir,
Tell me what is V value?
V equal to root 2m, sir.
V is
V equal to root square root of 2m, sir.
find out the value. Already we are getting NA value. Substitute V equal to 2 pi by 2 pi A by lambda into NA. In this we have substitute A value, lambda value, NA value and find out V. Tell me anyone what is the V we are getting? $43.
46.54, sir.
Then find out
Sir, V value 3.66 into 10 power minus 3 వచ్చింది సార్ నాకు.
so whatever it may be, just you can find M. M you can find. M is V square by 2. Find out V square by 2. Quickly you can find. Five came now only. Number 5. Make it fast.
సార్ ఏ అంటే పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ కదా సార్?
A.
ఎస్ సార్.
Why are you finding A? From the diameter you are getting
find
A is 25 micrometer you are getting. Already this is over. Then V is 2 pi into 25 into 10 power minus 6 by 0.82 into 10 power minus 6.
Sir, M value
Into-
1083 వచ్చింది, sir.
Okay. So 1083 is your final answer. Number of modes is 1083.
Yes, sir.
So why I am using this formula is, I already told you M is equal to V square by 2. Here we substituted 2 pi A by lambda here. 2 pi A by lambda into NA. 2 pi A by lambda into NA whole square by 2. Substituted here. Then 2 get cancelled. Then 2 into that 2A here we have. 2A is nothing but D, pi D. How we are getting this formula I'm saying? Already I told you in the previous class. So 2A is a D. Already we have pi here, pi D by lambda into NA whole square.
సార్ ఫైనల్ గా 1803.4 వచ్చింది సార్.
Okay, 1083. 1083. Screen is visible. Okay. So in the screen you can observe the M value 1083. Okay. So first of all we have to find NA, substitute in V number, and after getting V, substitute V in number of modes formula. That is M is equal to V square by 2. then you'll get 1083. This is one way. Another way you can do is using this formula. First, you can in the step index fiber, we are taking m formula as v square by 2. M is equal to v square by 2. In this v, we are going to substitute this one 2 pi a by lambda into Na. Then you will get this formula. All are following or not? Whether you can use this formula or v square by 2 directly. This is better. M is equal to v square by 2, and we know v value, that is 2 pi a by lambda into Na. It is clear? Is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then go for next problem. Second problem we can solve now. Number 5 is available. 5 is option. Write down the 1.7.2. Second problem you can write. The fiber has normalized frequency. V normalized frequency is 26.6 and operating wavelength is 1300 nanometers. If the radius of the fiber core is 25 micrometer, compute the numerical aperture. Make it fast, all of you. Individually can do. I will ask a particular person. Note it down first. Or has given normalized frequency as 26.6 and operating wavelength is 1300 nanometer. Radius of the fiber core is 25 micrometer. Compute the numerical aperture. Solve this one.
Sir, 0.22.
43.
Yes, sir.
So 43 got 0.22. Still any answers from anyone? Very easy problem. Try to make it fast. Number 5 is here.
405 is absent, sir.
But she joined here in the meeting.
No, sir, she is not there, sir.
Now she joined. Okay. 5 is option. Number 9. $18. Or
Yes, sir.
only two option. Okay, now we can see the solution. L11. L11. 11. 12.
0.28 వచ్చింది సార్.
11.28. You'll get 0.22.
Yes, sir.
So
Same answer,
compulsory,
sir.
we have to substitute either micrometer or nanometer like that. Okay, otherwise you'll get wrong answer. 1300 2 pi by lambda into Na formula. From this, we are going to write Na. We need Na. So directly we are finding this in this manner. The next problem. Go for next problem. I will dictate that. All of you write down. Third, next problem. Calculate number of modes. Write down all of you this problem. Next problem. I think the third one. Calculate number of modes. Calculate number of modes. Number of modes at 1550 nanometer. 1550 nanometer. And 1300 nanometer. 1300 nanometer. 1300 nanometer in a graded index fiber. In a graded index fiber having parabolic index profile. Having parabolic index profile. Parabolic index profile. Comma. A 20 micrometer core radius. 20 micrometer core radius. And N1 is 1.48. N1 is 1.48. N2 is 1.46. N2 is equal to 1.46. Try to solve this one, all of you. This is from Kaiser textbook. Calculate number of modes at 1550 nanometer and 1300 nanometer in graded index fiber with parabolic index profile, comma, a core radius of 20 micrometer, and N1 is 1.48, N2 is 1.46. I already told you we have to find capital M, number of modes in a graded index fiber. Number of modes in a graded index fiber. LE5, sorry, LE4. LE4. My voice is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Do you have any doubts? Number 4, you have any doubts? LE4.
No, sir. Hello.
Okay. Now tell me what is the formula for this one? For this problem, what is the formula? We have to find the M, number of modes in a graded index fiber. What is the formula? Don't know? What are you listening? Yesterday's
No,
class is
sir.
present or absent?
Absent, sir.
Number 2, LE2. LE2. Is it audible, LE2?
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me the formula for this one.
V square by 2.
V square by 2.
Alpha by
Completed,
alpha
sir.
plus 2 into V square by 2.
V square by 2 or this one? Again, you can repeat this answer.
Alpha by
Alpha by
alpha plus 2.
alpha plus 2 into V square by 2. What is alpha here?
V square by 4, sir.
What is alpha here? Are you hearing? Tell me alpha. What is alpha?
2, sir.
Alpha is a profile. What you're listening, I can't understand. Very clearly and very slowly I'm explaining, but you're not remembering anything. What is the use? Simply you can come into the meeting, not at all listening and not at all remembering. Try to remember something. Nikhil, LE12. 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 If you are like this means no use. LE12 is absent. Keeping absent those who are not responding to me. Then 49. Forty-nine. Forty-nine. 14 also absent. I am keeping. 48.
Yes, sir.
48. Tell me what is alpha?
Profile parameter.
What is the value? What is the value? Here he is asking for parabolic profile. For parabolic profile, what is the alpha value? That is 2.
Alpha by alpha by.
Take alpha is equal to 2. Why? Because parabolic profile. If it is a triangular, what is the value? What is the value?
2.
Triangular profile. Alpha is equal to 1.
1.
So here he has mentioned parabolic profile. Substitute 2 here. Then finally, what is the formula for M? What
V
you'll
square
get?
by 4.
V square by 4 you'll get. Okay. Then we don't know V. Then find out V. Then find out V. Find out V, all of you. Here we have to find two V's, two wavelengths as mentioned. For example, at 1550 nanometers. 1550
Sir,
nanometers.
mg is equal to 195, sir.
How much?
195, sir.
195. Okay, we'll see that. So he has given two wavelengths. For example, 1550 and 1300. At 1550 nanometers, what is a V1? That is at 1550 we'll get a V1 as M1 is equal to V1 square by 2. 1 square by 2. V1 is same. V1 square by
Sir,
4. Here we'll get
by 4.
4. So 2 pi A by lambda into NA whole square by 4. At 1550, you can substitute all these values and find out one M1. In the same manner, at 1300 nanometers, we will find another one. At both wavelengths, we have to find number of modes. Two wavelengths, we have to find
277,
number
sir.
of modes. Okay, I will tell answers. First, at 1550 nanometers, what is V1 you can find? What is V1?
195.
What is the wavelength you have taken? What is the wavelength?
1550, sir.
Then V is equal to 2 pi by lambda into NA. What is V? You can tell me, or what is the V1? At 1550, the wavelength we are taking, V number is V1. That is 2 pi. And what is the A value? He has given 20. 2 pi into 20 into 10 power minus 6 by lambda is 1550. 1550 into 10 power minus 9 into what is NA?
Square 10 mass.
0.344.
So NA is a 1.48 and 1.46. Maybe you'll get 0.24. Whatever it may be. So square root of n1 square minus n2 square. NA will get 0. How much you got? See, find out that NA value. 0.24. Previously also we are taking same values.
Yes, sir.
0.24 or 0.22.
0.243, sir.
Okay, 0.24 for example. This is V1. Find out V1. Tell me what is V1 value.
19.69, sir.
Very good. 19.6 you'll get. That is the V1. 19.6. From this you can find number of modes at 1550 is V square by 2, nothing but V1 square by 2. 19.6 whole square by 2, 4 whole square by 4. 19.6 whole square by 4. Tell me the answer.
96.92, sir.
97.96. 90?
96.92, sir.
Nearly you'll get a 96 point something. 9? 4. So 96 you'll get. M is 96. Similarly, go for 1300 nanometers. 1300 nanometers. In place of lambda, you have to substitute 1300. Again, you have to find V number, and NA already same for both values, and number of modes.
V 23.48.
V is 23.39 we are getting. Okay, V is 23 point something you'll get. 23 point.
Sir, parabolic V becomes V by 2, na, sir?
Again, same formula. This is a graded index fiber. Profile is a parabolic profile. So when you're substituting parabolic profile alpha is equal to, we are getting V square by 4. For all values of the parabolic profile, M is V square by 4. Again, same.
M is equal to 137.93.
So you'll get 137.
137.
Okay, very good. 137 you'll get. 137 you'll get.
1.2.